You eat late. Then wonder why you wake exhausted. Here's what's happening internally.
At night, digestion slows DOLN.
But fat storage speeds UP. Your body can't fully recover sleeping.
Your hormones start conflicting. Melatonin fights digestion.
And your liver keeps working overtime.
Late night eating mimics internal jet lag.
That's why mornings feel heavy. Stop eating 2 hours before sleep. Watch your energy completely change.